Hi, I'm Nair, CTO at Myst, and today we are going to discuss the differences between game development and utility app development. Game development is, as the name implies, the making of an app that is a game playable by the user. Some examples of gaming apps are Candy Crush, Helix Jump, and Clash of Clans. There are special platforms that are used for game development. Some examples of these platforms are Unity, GameMaker Studio, and Construct 2. These apps are meant to be fun and enjoyable to play. They also serve the role of entertainment. On the other hand, utility development is used to make apps that are beneficial and can help in the user's everyday life. These apps can allow someone to become more productive, healthier, or help them in a practical sense. Some examples of utility apps include MyFitnessPal, which is a calorie tracker. MyFitnessPal helps the user by allowing them to keep track of how much food they're eating each day and also their workouts. Users can log their weight in order to see progress. Google Calendar, which you may know, is helpful because it allows people to manage their day and plan out all of their activities. Another utility app is the Calculator app. Some apps may combine components of a utility and game app. For example, Pokemon Go is a game that is enjoyable to play. However, it is also beneficial to the user because it is encouraging them to walk and exercise outside. When developing apps, there are various software programs and languages that can be used. Some of the most popular languages used for application development are Java, Swift, C++, C#, and Python. Wait, no, not that Python. That Python. These languages are used in different IDEs, which are Integrated Development Environments. They provide a platform for software development. For example, an IDE for Java is Android Studio, an IDE for Swift is Xcode, and an IDE for C# and C++ is Visual Studio. The IDE for Python is PyCharm. Different IDEs use different programming languages and serve different development purposes. It is important to know and understand which IDEs and languages you should use to develop different types of apps. For example, if you were to develop a game, then it would be best to use one of the gaming platforms such as Unity. If you are writing an app in Java, then you should not use the IDE for Python. You would be using an IDE such as Android Studio. If you enjoyed, please leave a like on the video and subscribe to our channel for more information in our growing electronic world.